Okay, main New York City factory footage. Take it away, Adafruit Factory. It's one of our testers.
Yeah, testing out the CRICKIT. There's a microbit in it. Done. Some more older testers before I made custom PCBs for each one. This is how we make testers nowadays, with Isaiah Tester Master crafting a new tester. Nice.
That's how fast we move.
Yes. The coffee's good here. It's a non-working screen is what it looks like.
And there's still construction going on outside our window. This is the Disney headquarters that's being built. All those Disney Plus subscriptions.
You see little trucks coming in, they get filled.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's like a line of them. There's like 5 trucks lined up. They get dirt and they go out.
Yeah. And then this is, you can see, even in New York, the it was a little smoggy.
Yeah.
All the way to here.